our competition and summarizing our points. So first, we asked the question, what is our competition? Is there anybody in here that can just summarize some companies that you think might be competing with us? Okay, so for starters, let's go ahead and put those companies on board. We have Brita and Pure. The ways you might see these companies is Brita, you might be used to the water pitcher, and Pure, you might be used to the product that attaches to the water faucet itself and provides you filtered water straight from the sink. So why is Brita one of our key competitors? So Brita is our competition for one, brand loyalty, and also along with that brand loyalty is first mover. So we want to stress that for Brita because Brita was like the first person to introduce filtration of water, clean water, fresh water, give you a product that's really going to deliver, and they were just the first people to do it. So people are very loyal to this brand. So here's some examples from the Ashton Business School. The ease of access to British products made household names in 19 million homes, and 80% of them were used on a repeated basis. That's something hard to compete with. Also, due to the fact that Brita was a pioneer in this field, it gained a huge market share of 70% and became a household name and created a home for water purification industry up to $350 million. Now that all sounds like we can't compete, but one thing I will tell you is they have some weaknesses. They lack innovation. They were the first to move on it, but they don't see some changes they can make that could potentially help their company grow more income. Next, we're going to be speaking about Pure. So some things where Pure emphasizes is it rids bacteria more than any other filter, and it emphasizes on those research and development products. I mean, they put their research in to understand what customers need and what customers want. From the Ashton Business School, again, it says, in addition to removing impurities, it could eliminate disease-causing bacteria. To me, that is a big factor when it comes into clean water. Like, you can get rid of bacteria that causes disease. That's a big factor. But they still have weaknesses. So one of their weaknesses is the cost-benefit analysis. So since these are research and development products and they have so many, good things about their product, it costs a lot to keep up with their products. For instance, you have to replace your Pure faucet almost 2 to 3 times a month. That's a lot. Nobody wants to do that. Also, lack of portability is not easily moved. So, to end off my discussion, I wanted to summarize what we've discussed today. We've discussed people need clean water. We've discussed our survey results. We've discussed that portability and ease of use is our unmet need in this market with our competitors. We have also discussed our target markets, which is the 21 to 35 age range in those urban areas, Houston, Austin, and Dallas, and also our competitors, Brita and Pure. Thank you for your time. Invest in our product.